Well, I had an interesting aftermath of our trip to Surat. GoPro battery got hot, swelled up inside of it like they tend to do, got stuck, and in trying to get it out, the SD card decided it doesn't want to work anymore. So lost all of the footage from the weekend trip. Only got some on my drone. So yeah, time for a new camera, I think. Looking at the DJI Osmos, gonna go with the Action 5 just because obviously it's a little bit cheaper. It's not the latest model, but who cares? Everything I've seen review wise seems pretty good with them, and I think it's time to give up the GoPros. Yeah, I've got a 7 here that it just gets hot and freezes all the time, and I thought the 9 wasn't too bad, but now that I've been doing some extended recording with it, yeah, it gets thermal issues, and although it doesn't overheat and stop recording, the battery swells inside of it. So yeah, over the unreliability, I guess you could say. So time to move away from the old GoPro and onto better things. Anyway, I shall salvage the drone footage that I have, and I shall make a video, so keep your eyes open for that one. Catch us in the next one.